I invite you to the colorful world of birds competing with butterflies for the title of the brightest creature of summer. These shots are the result of many days of observations, hundreds of hours of filming, and a few burnt noses. Before you are incredible, restless, and absolutely charming bee eaters. Bee eaters know no rest. They are like fireworks in the world of birds, constantly in motion, jumping, flying, turning their heads, chasing each other off the branches. And sometimes it seems that a small conductor lives inside them,